Hello friends, welcome to presentation. Here I am going to presenting you the brand new Range Rover Evoque. Before moving ahead, just look about its history. The Land Rover is a British brand predominantly built a four-wheel drive off-road capable vehicle. Now it's owned by the multinational car manufacturing Jaguar Land Rover, which is JLR, since 2008. In India, Tata Motors. JLR currently build Range Rover Evoque in Brazil, China, India and United Kingdom. It's come with first Range Rover is 1947. Here introducing a new Range Rover Evoque. The first Range Rover Evoque made in 2011. It transmits the world compact SUV. The new Range Rover Evoque set continues that the remarkable journey. Here presenting a Range Rover Evoque made with a truly high quality premium materials, quality which makes a Range Rover a strong and luxurious. Now the talking about the features of Land Rover Evoque. First is engine. The engines come with 1999 cc. The maximum torque power is 245 bhp with 5500 rpm. The maximum torque is 365 newton with 5400 rpm. The transmission is automation. The number of cylinder is 4. The fuel tank capacity is 67 liter. The maximum speed is 205 km per hour. The gearbox comes with 9-speed automation. Let's talking about the exterior design of car. The Range Rover Evoque offer new level of refinement vehicle that recognizable. It's come with adjustable headlight, fog light, power adjustable exterior view mirror, rain sensing wiper, rear wipers, power antenna, tinted glass, rear spoiler, roof carrier, moonroof, sunroof, chrome grills and snow headlamps. Next, toward the interior design of the Range Rover Evoque, it's provide a dynamic, luxurious interiors. The interior design comes with tachometer, leather sheets, leather steering wheels, leather prop gear shifter, globe compartment, digital clock, digital odometer, electric adjustable seats, height adjustable driving seat, ventilated seats, and also the various features introducing in the interior design, which is more glossy and glorious looks. Next, cabin storage. In cabin storage, both the driver and passenger can make use the Range Rover mainly a storage options, which is come power socket, click go integrated base unit, air ionizations with come improvement the air qualities and removing the dust and virus from the cabin. It is most enhancing feature in the Range Rover Evoque. The next feature of Range Rover Evoque is versatility. It's truly flexible. The passenger can take advantages up to 1383 liter of luggage space with a 40-20-40 folding rear seats adjustable. The rear seats are adjustable. We can adjust a seat as per the luggage and space. The dimensions and capabilities of Range Rover Evoque: length is 4371 mm, height is 1649 mm, width is 1996 mm, boot space is 786 liter, seat capacity 5, wheelbase 2681 mm, and gross weight of the vehicle is 2430 kg. The next feature is extraordinary capabilities. The Range Rover Evoque comes with all-wheel drive features. Also, it has off-roading features. Driving modes are automatically changes by its surface conditions and gives smooth, comfortable driving feel. Driving modes are following: hill descent control, low traction launch, all-terrain program, allow to maintain a steady speed in challenging conditions such as slippery surface in mud, grass, snow and dust. Next is infotainment system. Delivering a wealth information and entertainment, every Range Rover Evoque is equipped with in-control entertainment system such as Touch Pro, interactive driving display, head-up display, which needs to take your eyes off-road, head display presenting a vehicle data, speed, gear positions and navigation direction in the windscreen. The next is sound system. The Range Rover has come with a Meridian sound system, 380 watt, a great definite, crystal clear, high and full tip bass delivered through the careful arrangement of 10 door mounted speaker. The next feature is connectivity. The Range Rover gives a best connection such by the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and USB auxiliaries. Also, we control by the remote app. We control the car, lock and unlock by the remote. Also change the climate conditions and journey tracking, a vehicle status checks and various features. The march settings also come with Range Rover Evoque, which is automatically define each driver, their keys, phones and features. It's come with the park sense. The park sensor features technological enhanced to driving the experience, assist a park safely. Range Rover Evoque come with the real traffic monitor, particularly used for when the reversing out of the parking. The system warns you the vehicle predictable or other hazard. The clear side interior rear views is the advanced feature in the Range Rover Evoque. A first Land Rover innovated the technology providing the obstructed view road behind you, regardless the object that normally disturbed it. Next one is aerodynamics of Range Rover Evoque. Extremely designed, the latest vehicle has been optimized. The Range Rover, a most dynamic Range Rover Evoque. Talking about safe and secureness, the design of optimizing the Range Rover is engineered by the standard features which protect us for the accidental happens. It's come with the dynamic stability control, anti-braking lock system, electronic brake force destruction, electric traction control, conveying brake control, roll stability control. Also come with land optimizing assistance, OSO emergency call, emergency braking assistance. These all the features of Land Rover Evoque make it a more safe and secure for the driving. Let's introducing you the smart features of Land Rover Evoque and its off-roading features, which make it a Range Rover smart SUV ever. So this is all about the Range Rover Evoque. Hope you like it.